Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of robot vacuums, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo 3550. This isn't just any robot vacuum. It's widely regarded as the best i3 Evo model on the market right now. The Roomba i3 Plus Evo is designed to make cleaning effortless with its advanced features. It's equipped with smart mapping, automatic dirt disposal, and can clean by room with impressive precision. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or carpeted floors, this robot vacuum promises to elevate your cleaning routine. Using advanced navigation technology, it efficiently cleans your home by mapping out specific areas and avoiding obstacles. Say goodbye to emptying the dustbin constantly. The CleanBase automatic dirt disposal system allows the i3 Plus Evo to empty itself for up to 60 days. A game changer for maintaining cleanliness with minimal effort. You can control it with your voice using Alexa commands, making it seamlessly integrate into your smart home setup. With a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x power lifting suction, it tackles even stubborn dirt and pet hair effectively. The updated iRobot Home app offers personalized scheduling and seasonal cleaning recommendations tailored to your lifestyle and home environment. As you can see, its intelligent dirt detect technology ensures thorough cleaning of high-traffic areas, adapting its cleaning pattern based on the level of dirt detected. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. Users have praised its efficiency, especially in homes with pets and carpets. The ability to schedule cleanings and monitor its progress remotely via the app adds a layer of convenience that's hard to beat. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance robot vacuum that takes the hassle out of cleaning, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo 3550 should be at the top of your list. Its smart features, efficient cleaning capabilities, and seamless integration with smart home devices make it a standout in its category. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.